Alright, so this is my boy's Toyota Chaser JZX100. We're going to be removing the stock fuel pump and putting in a Tomei 255. Same install process if you do a 320 or Walbro 255 fuel pump. All very easy, straightforward. So this is already awesome because he runs his back seat gutted. So it just makes the install process easier, saves you like 5 minutes. But removing the back seat is super simple. You see that tab right there, and there's another tab right there. You literally just pull up like right around here, really strong. You might feel like you're gonna break it, but you won't. Just pull up really hard right there and really hard right there. You'll hear it clip out, and then you just remove the seat portion. Then the actual back seat portion is held in with 4 bolts. I think they're 12 millimeters, huge washers. They hold the clips in. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Undo those, and then you have to get the seat belts out of the way, which is also very easy. It's just, those are 14 millimeters. It's just 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. And then to undo the top portion of the seat, you just take a screwdriver and you kind of flick it up. You'll know what I'm talking about if you have a Chaser. So the first part of this process is going to be getting the fuel tank access cover thing off. This is like RTV'd in place, but it should come out really easy. Mine literally just pulled out on mine, but his you might need to get a screwdriver. But yeah, that's where we're at. Is that your Bluetooth thing?
That's his gas tank.
All right, you good, you good.
Yeah, where you had the gas tank a few years ago.
All right, so his gas tank was like at E, it was low AF. That's probably why. Everything should be depressurized now. So at this point, he's gonna undo this guy, push this thing off to the side, and then he's gonna use a line wrench. I think it was a 14 millimeter, and that's another big one. And then these are Phillips / 8 millimeters. Undo those and we're good to go. So getting those loose kind of sucked. It is a 19 millimeter wrench on this end, and the other end's a 14 millimeter. We have a line wrench so that we're not rounding it out because it was really in there. It sucked to undo. But basically you get these 2 wrenches close to each other, you can kind of just like palm it close and it'll just undo it. And now it's all loose. We're just gonna get rid of it. There's probably gonna be some fuel in there, so we got a little towel right here. But yeah. All right, so he's got that line undone. He's gotta remove that line though. It's already undone. Now he's just gotta undo, like there's like 6 or 8 of them. They're 8 mil Phillips head or 5/16. He's gonna go for it. Yeah, it's going the right way.
Take this out, right?
Yeah, you gotta take that guy out.
And how long is that fuel rail?
It's close. I mean, what do you mean?
How long is that line?
Line's not bad. So these lines that kind of go from like here, and it makes an L right down here, and that's what this little panel's for.
Just in case you lose them?
I guess so, yeah. And then it continues to go back on down there. Oh, you're talking about like the line right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think she's long. Yeah. Yeah.
I just think about it, bro. Like,
What's up, man?
yeah, you got gas in your truck right now.
Yeah, but he's on E. He's so low. Yeah, so it's catching on that connector right there. You just gotta keep wiggling it out. It'll come out. It's just kind of, this hole is like,
So move up.
is a little bit out the way.
Move the one up front. The nut, the one that we just took off, is stopping it too.
Yeah, it is, actually.
This was the hard part. Now it's easy after this.
Twist it up, yeah. You gotta take,
There it is.
You gotta twist it clockwise.
There it is. Get her out.
Boom. No, she out. No, you gotta twist that bottom.
Here. Boom. Get it on the towel.
Now you dry that newborn baby. Go ahead.
Oh yeah.
Dry that newborn baby.
Yeah, that motherfucker's small though, isn't it?
It's the same size as the one you got coming in.
That's a little bigger than that one.
By like half a centimeter, I think.
Dude.
That's like a 180.
Yes, I got.
Yeah, let's look at it.
Look at that.
Shine a light in there.
I'm there. Go ahead.
I got a lighter. You want to see?
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. So you see that little bowl? That's like the little pre-filter I was talking about.
Right.
It like strains it. And then it baffles like side, not like here and here, but like here and here. You know what I'm saying? That's dope though. All right, so then from here, we're just gonna
Remove everything.
and then you can see what ground is, obviously, because it just attaches right there. This is your power wire, this blue one. But yeah, we'll get to it. We can bring it inside most likely, in the warmth. All right, so my guy got the Tomei 255 fuel pump. If you look on the side, like on the etching, go over there. That's exactly what my Rawbro 255 said. It had that little symbol right there, and then it had all that Raiden GSS stuff. And it looks the exact same. His just comes in a Tomei box, and they laser etched Tomei on it. But we ended up buying ours for the exact same price. So I mean that's cool though. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything lined up. Where's the old one?
Right there?
Yeah. You want to get a little size comparison going?
That bitch on a snug.
Don't break your connector, bro. Nice and shiny though.
It is about the same. All right.
I mean, it is a little bit taller though. You see it?
Yeah, it is.
But that's dope. So what ended up happening when I did mine is my little clip right there that you can see, mine actually like bent and I dropped it and I couldn't find it. So I just reused this one.
Yeah. Where'd you drop it at? It's legit, dude.
All right, he got everything in, tightened that boy on, clipped in, all those are tightened. He ain't gonna start it now. It's like 11 o'clock here at night. He's gonna start it tomorrow morning. Bet. Go. JP, you need to go buy fuel.
That motherfucker is on.
Yeah, alright. Let her warm up for a second, but you gotta go get some gas like right now, bro. Your seat is like all the way forward too, so adjust your stuff, man.